Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to learn a judgment given by a Dutch court regarding the company located in USA. Actually, the Dutch court slammed Chetu, the USA or Florida-based company, for directing its employee who is located in Netherlands to keep open the webcam for 7 hours at least in a day and also live stream his performance. Of course, it is a telemarketing company. Chetu is a telemarketing company. This is nothing but invasion of his right to privacy, nothing but violation of his human rights. Dutch court has observed like that, and it has slammed a fine of $72,700 worth about 60 lakhs rupees or so on the company. We will go to the facts of the case. Better you will understand them. Requiring the remote staff means work from home, to keep the webcam open for 9 hours. I'm sorry, I told 7 hours. For 9 hours a day is nothing but the human rights violation because he is not feeling comfortable. The company has to say whether he is producing the results or not. That's all. Whether he is present, you can't make him physically present throughout the day. He might have to go to the washroom. He might have to go for lunch and other things. Right. Chetu, it is a Florida. Florida is in USA. It is a Florida-based telemarketing company. They have fired. You may be knowing. In America, they call it as hire and fire, plug and play. You know these. They have fired one of its employees. He is working in Netherlands on the grounds of insubordination. That means he has not obliged to the dicta of the higher officers. Actually, the company directed him to keep the webcam on for 9 hours while working from home. Of course, the publisher, that is digitalcom.com, they say that 60% of the private companies are like that. They are forcing these people to keep open their webcam. Of course, recently I have told you about that moonlighting also. There are some certain employees who work, since it is work from home or remote, there are certain software engineers who are working for 2 companies and earning money. But the problem is, the computer, which has the sensitive information related to one company, may be passed on to the other. That's the problem is there. But of course, certain companies, they don't care it. They encourage the people to go on for it. That is your problem, not our problem. Like that they are telling. Anyway, here, so to avoid that problem, the companies are insisting them to be present before the webcam at least for 9 hours a day. Right. But the employee, he was not comfortable, as the company was using such a program that actually it is sharing the live stream of the so-and-so employee, as well as he is not feeling comfortable because sometimes he may be wearing some dress, some things like that. We have seen in one video where the advocate, while addressing online before the High Court, he tried to actually to hug his wife, and it was found in the video. How bad it is. Like that, some things may happen. That's why normally even when we are giving you webcam Zoom classes, what are you doing? You are shutting down the video, is it not? Because we may have to see the girl, the young, the law student who is preparing in the kitchen and she is hearing. So we have seen that. Right. Anyway. So he is feeling uncomfortable. So therefore, he refused to obey the order. Therefore, the company fired him. So employee, then he filed a case before the Dutch court. That is, since he is a native of Netherlands, he filed a case that his company was invading his privacy by keeping a watch on him all through the webcam. Right? So therefore, the firing of the employee actually now backfired. Dutch court asked the company to pay an amount of 60 lakhs or so as compensation because requiring the remote staff to keep their webcam on, it is constituting the human rights violation. So ultimately, see how the thing has taken a turn. India normally we don't even refuse also. So keep it ready. So webcam is open. What is there? Like that we will think, but it is Netherlands. They say that when they feel uncomfortable, you should not pressurize him. Ultimately, the result is, even though he was fired by the company, it has backfired and the company has to pay about 60 lakhs fine as compensation to the particular individual. Very good case law, particularly respecting the human rights. With this, I am concluding. Thank you.